Laws.com.
Filing for divorce in New York. Step 1. Checking eligibility. Before seeking a divorce in the state of New York, you must affirm your eligibility. To legally file a divorce, you must have been married in the state, and either you or your spouse must have lived in New York 1 year prior to the filing. Moreover, your grounds for the divorce must have occurred in the state, and both you and your spouse must be state residents when the case is filed. Legitimate grounds for divorce in New York are abandonment for at least 1 year, inhuman treatment, adultery, and you and your spouse have lived separately for at least 1 year under a court judgment of separation or a written separation contract. New York also provides no-fault divorces. In this format, one spouse may claim an irretrievable breakdown of the marriage for a minimum of 6 months. Under this filing, the divorcing couple or the courts must resolve the issues of spousal support, property division, and child support or custody before the divorce is finalized. Step 2. Filing the action for divorce. A New York divorce case begins when one spouse files the action for divorce with the Supreme Court in the county where one spouse lives. The other spouse will then be served with the petition. Upon receiving the divorce papers, the respondent is given 30 days to file a response. If you and your spouse agree on the division of your assets and debt, as well as child support and child custody matters, the divorce may be affirmed without a trial. If the couple disputes any aspect of the filing, the court will schedule a hearing to resolve the issues. Step 3. Division of property. In New York, marital assets and debts are divided equitably when the divorce is finalized. Spouses are permitted to keep their separate property, including any property, gifts, and inheritances you acquired before the marriage. When dividing the property, a New York judge will consider the following factors: length of the marriage, tax consequences, spouse's age and health, the spouse's income, services of either spouse as a parent, and likely future financial circumstances. Step 4. Child support. In New York, child support is based on state guidelines which evaluate combined income and number of children the parent is responsible for.
To watch more videos, please make sure to visit Laws.com.